Hi. Today I am going to share what is the reason behind we keep and maintain a good relationship. According to my concept, in this present era, this topic plays very great role. First of all, good relationship or good relationships give us emotional support during our difficult times. Moreover, they help us build trust, understanding, and cooperation with others. In addition, a strong relationship can improve our mental health and reduce our life stress. Furthermore, having good connection with the family, friends, and colleagues creates a positive environment. Therefore, we should keep and maintain good relationship because they bring happiness, support, stability to our better life. Thank you.